You can also diffuse wintergreen with citrus bliss for a root beer aroma that stimulates feelings of childhood joy. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of wintergreen essential oil. Wintergreen essential oil is derived from the leaves of the creeping shrub found in coniferous areas. The main chemical component in wintergreen is methyl salicylate and is used in topical creams and massage blends because of its soothing properties. In fact, wintergreen and birch are the only plants in the world that contain methyl salicylate naturally. As a flavoring, small amounts of wintergreen are used in candies, toothpaste, and chewing gum. When diffused, wintergreen has a refreshing aroma that's uplifting and stimulating. Through doTERRA's Co-Impact Sourcing Initiative, doTERRA's source of wintergreen comes from Nepal, where it is wild harvested by rural villagers, then distilled by community-owned distillation facilities. This process creates increased economic opportunity for very remote regions in rural Nepal. The top 3 common uses of doTERRA's wintergreen essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of wintergreen essential oil are that it soothes occasional muscle aches, reduces the appearance of blemishes, and supports oral health. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil or deep blue rub on tired muscles and joints for enhanced benefits. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. And so this is a great carrier oil that's non-greasy, helps the essential oil to absorb better into the body, reduces the chance of irritation, and will help cover larger surface areas of your body when the fractionated coconut oil is used first, and then the essential oil. You can also diffuse wintergreen with citrus bliss for a root beer aroma that stimulates feelings of childhood joy. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.